Hey, what's going on? This is Alex from LR and today I'll show you how to replace a Serpentine belt on BMW N20 and N26 engines. First of all, we have to remove air filter box and intake boot. Let's start. Remove the cable, unplug the connector from the sensor. You can use pry tool. Loosen the clamp. Then undo 4 clamps and lift the whole thing up. Next step is loosen this clamp. And take off this clip. Now we can remove this thing. Using 16 millimeter socket and wrench, we have to pry the tensioner and lock it in place using something like a pry tool or thin screwdriver or a pin. Lock it in place. That's it. Now we can remove the belt. So you can see it's time to replace it. Very worn out. Now let's put the new one in place. The belt sits perfectly. Now we can remove the thing. And that's it. Let's put all back together and we're good to go. Okay, slide the clamp back. That's it. back the clamps. Tighten the clamp. That's it, we are done. 5-minute job. Thumbs up if video was helpful, subscribe for more DIYs. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Have a good one, bye bye.